This quinoa salad is perfect for summer. Light, refreshing, and absolutely delicious, not to mention nutritious. And so easy to make. All we do is pre-cook the quinoa and then drain and cool it, add it to a bowl together with some chickpeas and diced cucumbers, diced red peppers, and parsley, lots of parsley, and then give it a stir to mix everything together. And then we are going to add the halved cherry tomatoes or diced tomatoes, whichever you're using. And then we are going to make a dressing by combining the olive oil, lemon juice, finely grated garlic, and mix everything together. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. This salad is absolutely delicious on its own, or you can use it as a side dish. So whisk the dressing together, everything, and then pour over the entire salad. And what we are going to add last is diced feta. Now, if you are dairy free, you can replace the feta with diced tofu. You might just want to increase the amount of salt, as tofu has no salt. So we are adding the feta. You can give it a stir and let's taste it. Tastes very good. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you did, please remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.